The climate is changing, and awareness of air quality continues to grow. Companies are making the environment a top priority, striving to invest in cleaner solutions as emission regulations and public demands increase. But most solutions on the market now are outdated and expensive. Carbon filters, chemical scrubbers, and regenerative thermal oxidizers are not the answer. There's a more modern, cleaner technology that is available and ready to help your business. AZZURO's high-performance bioreactors are today's solution for air pollution control. An array of products resulting from 20 years of experience, AZZURO's technology is proven, reliable, sustainable, and economical. AZZURO's air pollution control systems work across a wide range of emissions, whether it's sulfur, nitrogen, or hydrocarbon emissions, and upgrading sour gas or biogas. These worry-free, self-regulating systems reduce your carbon footprint drastically, and AZZURO bioreactors offer outstanding, long-lasting, consistent performance. No more hazardous chemicals, no extensive maintenance, no additional waste disposal. Your benefits are endless. AZZURO's high-performance bioreactors can be applied in industrial and municipal areas, from petrochemical industries to food and agriculture. We're here to assist you in meeting the highest emission standards while benefiting the environment, reducing costs, and enjoying a positive public image. AZZURO, solutions for a clear sky and a bright future.